Dino is looking for baby animals today. Can you help him? Let's go! Look, a baby cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Say, kitten. Great job! Wow, a baby dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Can you say, puppy? Pretty. So tiny. A baby duck is called a duckling. Can you say duckling? You're amazing! Oh, a baby rabbit. We call it a bunny. Say it with Dino. Bunny! Great job! Look, a baby elephant. A baby elephant is called a calf. Which one was your favorite? Tell Dino in the comments. Bye-bye.